Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. So today is the first video from the series of your favorite TV show actresses. And today I will be recreating HALIME SULTAN from Ertuğrul. I'm going to be posting a new video every single day of this week of all your favorite actresses. So come back every day to check who it is. And if you're ready, let's begin this tutorial. The focus for today's tutorial is going to be on good skin and minimum makeup. So I'm going to start with Serafine Botanicals lip scrub so I can remove some of that chappe on the lips and remove some of that dry skin to keep it soft and supple for the lipstick that is coming at the very end. And to keep it hydrated, I'm going to be using this Ofra Cosmetics lip balm. It looks like a red lipstick, but it's just a lip balm. To keep the under eyes as well as the lids hydrated, I'm going to be using the Murad Hydration Eye Cream. This cream is perfect if you have very dull or dry skin and fine lines around your eyes, so it'll help to heal some of that. And to moisturize the face, I'm going to be using the Ice Moisturizer. This is from Sunday Riley. This is a ceramide enriched moisturizer, so it replenishes the skin for lasting hydration. And as you can see, it's a very thick moisturizer and it gives that beautiful glow overall to your skin. For primer, I'm going to be using the Almay Skin Perfecting Primer. This forms a good base, more like a sticky base, so whatever you apply over it clings on to your skin and lasts longer. So it makes your makeup last longer. Also, primers help to fill in those pores and fine lines, giving you a smooth texture before you apply anything else over it. And because the focus is going to be on good skin today, because if you look at Halime's skin, it looks absolutely stunning and looks like she has more of the no makeup. So let's take care of some of those dark patches and dark circles to even out the skin tone. And for that, I'm going to be using a peach corrector from the Coastal Scents Concealed palette. I'm just taking it with my finger and using it in areas where I have dark circles, dark patches, as well as dark spots for spot correction. And as you can see, as soon as I apply it, it neutralizes that area. If you didn't know, your dark circles and patches usually have a blue undertone. So to cancel that out and to neutralize your skin, you need an orange or a peach corrector, which is precisely what I'm using right now. I'm going to very lightly set this color corrector with a loose powder. I'm using airspun. That way it's not going to mix with any other makeup that you use on top of this. Now, because we want the makeup to look more like skin, but at the same time we want our skin to look flawless and also have that dimension, I'm going to be doing reverse makeup today. So I'm going to start with contouring, and for that I'm using the Wet n Wild contour stick in Call Me Maple. I'm going to be using it in my usual areas where I do my contouring to add that dimension, and I will be blending it out with a kabuki brush from Hip Dot. And for concealer, I'm going to be using my favorite Milani concealer in 145. I'm going to mostly use it in areas where I use the color corrector to conceal it, and I'm going to quickly blend it out with my finger. Now we have the contouring and the concealer part taken care of, and over this you can either apply a foundation or, like me, use a tinted moisturizer. The one that I'll be using is the Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Medium 10N. Here's a quick tip. When you do reverse makeup where you're applying the contouring and the concealer inside of your foundation, try to use a foundation that gives you less coverage. If you use a full coverage foundation, it'll cover up your entire face, including the dimension that you've created. Instead, if you choose a foundation that gives you light coverage, or a BBCC cream, or even a tinted moisturizer like this, the dimension from within will show through. I'm going to use a little bit more of the airspun to very lightly set my face. You just need enough to absorb the liquids. You don't need too much to make it completely matte. Remember, we're going for a very skin-like look, so all you need is very little. And now to set and seal this base so the makeup doesn't move, I'm going to be using the Pretty Fresh Setting Mist again from ColourPop. Before I move any further, I'm going to be using contact lenses because I see Halima has brown eyes. I'm using Sugar Brown from Melon Color, and if you need a discount, you'll find that in the description box below. For the brows, again, I want to keep it as natural as possible, so I'm going to be using the Almay Brow Styler. This is more like a transparent mascara which will keep your brow hair in place. So I'm going to brush my brow hair upwards with this. Her brows look thick and natural, and for that reason I'm not going to be filling in on the top part of my brows. I'm only filling in the lower sparse areas of my brows, and for that I'm going to be using Precisely My Brows from Benefit. This is in the shade 4.5. We're not going to be doing any eye makeup, but at the same time I want to show that tired eyes. If you look at her eyes, feels like she's been fighting and she's exhausted. So for that I'm going to add a tinge of pink from the blush. I'm using the Ciate London Marble Blush with a blending brush from Carity. I'm going to first define my crease line and then use it in my lower lash line. But you can barely see that blush, but still adds that drama to the look and gives that dimension. So you have to really get into the character to do those recreations, and that's the whole point of pulling the look together like this. And then I'm going to finish up by curling my lashes and applying a coat of clear mascara. The one that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Mascara. I use clear mascara whenever I want my lashes to look natural, like they have no product on them, but just adds to the length and the volume of the lashes. So if you can see, you can barely see a difference, but you can still see that slight difference. It looks more voluminous as compared to the other eye, but at the same time looks very natural. You can most definitely do a nude lipstick with this look and it'll look absolutely perfect, but I'm following this particular picture in which she has a pink lip. So I'm going to be using a similar pink lipstick from ColourPop in Songbird. This look is incomplete without a beautiful headdress, so here it is, and here is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed the way this look came together. Let me know your thoughts by commenting below, and let me know if you know what's coming up tomorrow, and come back to check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and for your convenience I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box right below this video, and you'll also find my social media links there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.